Hey, Jamie here from New Zealand Mountain Biking. I'm here with Ryan, another Rotorua local, and we're about to do Te Huinga. As you can see, it's the middle of winter, but this track's super good, straight after rain. Mega grip, love it. In gear. Alright, Te Huinga. Following Mr. Ryan. So yeah, it's rained a little bit, so what I'm thinking is just keep my front wheel out of the puddles, stay out of the main track if there's a dip, and keep the camera clean. But this one here is a real good one to practice keeping your speed. It's pretty flat. So I'm always looking around the corners, controlling my speed into them, and chasing the ride dog, aka baby bird. But yeah, this dirt gets mega grip when it's slightly damp, and this track doesn't really have any roots, so it's definitely a winner. A couple of little step downs, pop it over the roots, and then kind of got the trickiest bit at the end here. Ryan's got his foot out again. So yeah, if you like what you see, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. There's plenty more trails to come.